Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Arts and Woods, and in this video we'll be talking about the wall decor or the wall art, and for that mostly we require some paintings or some designer elements on the wall. Here we have three different paintings and we have several more designs like this, be it the god paintings or the painting like this, the modern design where we generally see seven horses, running horses, and a sun shining bright on top. As per Vastu also, this is considered really good for a home, and these running horses are considered like we are progressing in our lives very fast. If you talk to any Vastu expert, they generally recommend seven horses for a home. And this is a painting. I'll show you the complete painting here. This is right here. 8 feet by 3 feet high, 32 mm total size, depth, and it's a heavy relief file. You can see the 3D model right here and very well carved out of MDF, and these things are done by machines, CNC machine, but the designing is done in our premises. We have designers who make it accordingly. You want smaller, you want bigger, we can do it, and color is antique gold. If you're looking for some other color, you look for wooden finish or some other finish, we can do that also. This is one. The second we have here is the scene from Mahabharata where Lord Krishna and Arjun were together, and the mantra, the shlok is right here, and the horse, the chariot, and a beautiful painting where Hanumanji is sitting on the top, and we have the dhwaja. This is 4 feet by 3 feet high, and if you want a different size, different color, definitely we can do that for you and deliver globally. The other painting we have here is for Lord Buddha, and everybody knows Lord Buddha stands for peace, the tranquility, the knowledge, the wisdom, and different forms of Buddha are used in different places, and this is one. We have other designs also, and if you are looking for any design size in a different color, let us know, we can make that for you. It's a big size, 42 inches left to right and 5 feet high. And we have so many other designs for similar paintings. You can go for Ashtalakshmi, Lord Balaji, and different gods we have. We have a Ramji figure also, Shiv Parivar. All these are listed on the website. And if you have any design that you want your own design to be made in a different size, you can send us that painting, that design, and we can make that for you. Recently, we have also completed Ashtavinayak, 8 forms of Lord Ganesh. And any design, similar pattern you're looking for, we can make that for you and deliver globally. Size, design, color of your choice. These require a lot of time to be made, hours and hours of machine work and a lot of time in designing as well. And these are in MDF, made as per client's requirement. This is not a cast, and these are not very cheap things. Generally, the paintings that are available in the market are fiber and they're made in a cast, in a standard size. They are very cheap prices. But these are not very cheap. They require a lot of time, and that's why a little costlier also, but look really beautiful when you place it in your home. In modern homes, different themes are in place, and if you need something, an abstract design or some 2D cutting design on the wall, we can make that for you as well. You select the design, let us know what you're looking for, and we'll try and make that in a similar pattern, in similar size that you require, and deliver at your home. Some examples here, more on the website, and rest is your creativity. Hope you like our work. If you have any questions, the number is right here. Please contact us. Thank you. Dhanyavad.